Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford Explorer ST. Such a fun three-row SUV. Probably, it kinda sorta goes up against the Durango SRT. Although I'm an FCA guy, so I like the Durango SRT way too much. But this still is absolutely beautiful. I love the interior 20 times better than the Durango. Quad exhaust. Functional quad exhaust, I should say. 3.0 EcoBoost V6 pushing 400 horsepower, 10-speed automatic for a total price of $58,135. This one's finished in carbonized gray metallic over ebony leather. Very, very nice spec on this example. Whew. Nice ST specific steering wheel. Fits the hands very, very nicely. White contrast stitching, ST on the seats. Panoramic sunroof. Light bulbs. Bang & Olufsen sound system is fantastic. Can't demonstrate that, but just know it is. Automatic parking, bunch of different drive modes. Of course, this being the ST, we'll be driving it in Sport. Let's go for a drive. Hopping over the snow, no issues there. Of course, being all-wheel drive. However, this is a rear-biased all-wheel drive system, which is very, very rare to see. A lot of all-wheel drive systems are front-wheel drive based, but this one is rear-wheel drive based. That provides some great handling characteristics. Just overall makes for a very, very fun to drive platform. You know, it almost sounds like the Maserati Ghibli. Of course, it is a twin-turbo V6, so is the Ghibli. Obviously, it's not as loud as the Ghibli, but it does sound similar. No, there's arrows for a reason, guys. Come on. Steering is actually pretty heavy in sport mode. I'm a fan of heavy steering, as long as it's nice and light at parking lot speeds, and this one is. And of course, you can shut off sport mode in order to lighten up the steering. But here's where the 400 horsepower comes in. Oh my goodness gracious, man. That is phenomenal. In sport mode, we're gonna have some pretty stiff suspension. So let's see how it handles these potholes and the bumpy roads. Zipper. Well, I don't like wearing jackets for these reviews. Boing, boing. Next time around, I'll put it into comfort mode or normal mode, and we'll see how it does. It does sound absolutely fantastic. I mean, for an SUV. Of course, it's not gonna be an Aventador, but it does not sound bad. Bumpy, bumpy. Turning circle is absolutely phenomenal too. This is all around an absolutely awesome vehicle. I think the last one I drove was detuned or something like that, because it was not this quick. But this is like the pancake mix, Bisquick, because this Bisquick. I tell you right now, if you go grocery shopping and get a lot of freezer items, you won't even need any bag or anything like that, because it will get home before it has a chance to freeze. Over normal, let's try the bumps now. Definitely a little bit smoother. Definitely a little bit more relaxed. There's only so much you can do with these low profile tires, but it does what it can. Yeah, don't change the transmission. It's the one thing about rotary dials. You have to get used to them, or else you'll end up... I mean, if you throw it into park, it's going to say, hey, 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 no, 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 no. But you have to get used to where it is, because I've done it before where I've shifted it into reverse while driving, and I was like, oopsies. Does have self-parking as well. So it's going to be scanning for a parking spot. Found itself a spot. Shift into neutral, hold the park button, and release the brake. I think the snow on the ground is going to throw it off, but no, it's just adjusting. That puts it in park for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.